Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's tutorial, I'll show you how to create and share a chart in Google Sheets using a real data example. This is perfect if you want to turn boring numbers into visual charts and then share them with your team or friends. Let's jump right in. Step 1. Open your Google Sheet. First, open your Google Sheets document containing the data you want to visualize. If you don't have one yet, you can quickly type in some example data, like monthly sales figures or class test scores. Step 2. Select your data. Click and drag to highlight the cells containing your data, including headers like month and sales. This helps Google Sheets automatically label your chart. Step 3. Insert the chart. Go to the top menu. Click Insert and then choose Chart. Google Sheets will instantly generate a default chart for you. Step 4. Customize the chart. In the chart editor on the right, you can change the chart type to bar, line, pie, or others. You can also adjust colors, labels, and titles to match your style. Step 5. Share the chart. To share your chart, click on the 3 dots in the top right corner of the chart. Choose Copy Chart and paste it into Google Docs or Slides. Alternatively, you can share the entire Google Sheet by clicking the green Share button at the top right, entering the recipient's email, and setting permissions to view or edit. And that's it. You've just created and shared a chart in Google Sheets. If you found this helpful, please hit the like button, subscribe for more easy tutorials, and share this video with someone who could use it. Thanks for watching.